New food vendors don't fail because their food is bad. They fail because of simple mistake nobody warned them about. So if you're planning to start a food business, these three costly mistakes can cost you customers, money, or even your confidence. Number one is pricing based on guesswork. One of the biggest mistakes new food vendors make is pricing. They price based on what other people are charging instead of putting their own cost, stepping everything down before they put their own price. They will start selling what other people are selling. Maybe in a scenario, you buy your rice, spices, tomatoes, and other things, but you are forgetting to add your electricity, your time. You're forgetting to add your transportation too. But at the end of the day, you think you're making profit. But when the week comes to an end, I notice that this thing you're doing is not actually profitable. And that at that point, you just start feeling like, this business is not profitable. It's not like one thing about businesses is any business you just want to venture into, there are profits in every business. It just depends on how you're able to do it, how you're able to manage your business very well. Profit is in every business. There is no business you tell me there is no profit inside. Always know your numbers before selling. What am I trying to say? Try to know your cost before selling, because a business that doesn't know its cost and is working is not actually growing. Is not. The number two mistake is ignoring presentation. Your food you may cook your food and it tastes so nice and it may look appealing, but if it doesn't present it very well, if it doesn't have a nice packaging, people might scroll and pass, or people might just see it and walk away. So for you to sell your food very fast, for you to sell your product very fast, you have to package it. Be intentional about the packaging. You just have to be serious about the packaging. It's not when you tell people that, oh, it's a nice product. People will first of all eat with their eyes before they buy to test it, right? So it's when I see something and I like it, I want to say, okay, how does this thing work? I want to buy. But if I see it and it's not looking nice, I will not want to buy it. Imagine maybe this tom now, I wanted to buy it, but it doesn't have a nice packaging, and maybe the money I wanted to use for something, I might just use it and buy what I want to buy, right? But because this thing has have a nice packaging, it might attract me to actually use half of that money and get this particular thing because of what? Nice packaging. So sometimes people are not just buying the taste of your product, people are buying your packaging. Number three costly mistake is waiting for customers instead of marketing. Maybe you cooked your food and you posted it once on your social handles, maybe on your TikTok, and you didn't get order for that day, and that way you just stopped. So if people are not seeing you, if people are not seeing your product, they cannot buy. So you cannot just post once on your social media handle and disappear, and you expect customers to come and meet you. You are the one that will market your products. You are the one that will market what you sell. You have to carry your business on your head. So anytime you know that you want to start up a business, whether it's food business or not a food business, you just need to remove one thing: shyness. You need to remove shyness from your body. You can enter people's DM, greet them politely. Please help me repost on your status. Please help me do this. What are your reviews? What are your feedback? You just politely go to people's DM. Stop making yourself feel like, if I go to this person's DM and this person ignores me. If they ignore you, you rest. Tell me in the comment sections, which of these food mistakes do you think hurt food vendors the most? Whether you're a food vendor or you're not a food vendor, which of these mistakes do you think hurt them the most? I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Or yeah, follow me for no reason.